Hi students, today we just learned a new topic in grammar, a brush up of parts of speech. Let us see about it and here we go. Yes, this is what the board work of today's class. I just want to give a brush up on that. And we just started with what is a sentence. As you all answered, it is the correct answer, and the sentence is a combination of words which gives a clear meaning. There are 8 parts of speech. That is, the sentence may have all the 8 parts of speech or may not have 8 parts of speech. But normally, parts of speech is of 8 types. Number 1 is noun. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word. It can be a name of a person, name of a thing, name of an object, name of an animal, or an idea. For instance, Raja is a boy. Raja is a name of a person. Boy is a name of a group of common noun. It's a kind of common noun. So both are the noun. Kite is a toy. So kite and toy are the name of some object. So it is a kind of noun. And Delhi is the capital of India. So Delhi and India are the name of the place. It is the noun. So noun is basically a naming word. Number 2 is pronoun. Instead of using the word nouns, like for example, Raja is a boy, Raja is a teacher, Raja sings well. Instead of that, we can avoid the repetition of the name, that is the noun, with the help of pronoun. Like Raja is a boy, he is a teacher, he sings well. So he is the pronoun here. For masculine we use he, and for feminine we use she. For objects and animals we use it. For group of people we use they. So these are the pronouns. Coming to the third parts of speech, it is an adjective. Adjective is a word which describes, which modifies, which gives additional information about the noun. For instance, Dhoni is a famous player. What kind of player is he? He is famous. So famous is the word which gives additional meaning to the noun player. So Dhoni is a famous player. Here famous is an adjective. Kadir is a great cook. Kadir and cook are the nouns here. This great, the word great gives additional meaning to this noun cook, right? So for instance, the students of grade 8 are good students. So for the noun students, it gives additional meaning. So good is an adjective here. The next one is verb. Okay, the next one is verb, which is an action word. We already knew it. And for instance, run, write, play, swim, all these are verbs. The next one is adverb. Adverb is a kind of word which gives additional information about the verb. Ahil writes neatly. She sings sweetly. So mostly this adverb will end with ly words. This neatly, sweetly, fastly, he walks fastly. All these gives to additional information about the verb, main verb. So they are called as adverb. The next one is preposition. Preposition are the words which gives the relationship and the location, and it describes a lot about the area where the exact object is placed. So for instance, this book is on my hand. Book, hand, these are nouns, and on is the preposition. The book is inside the cupboard. Inside, right? The phone is under the bench. Under. So exact position, we call it as preposition. Preposition. The word itself says. The next thing is conjunction. Conjunction, in order to avoid a lot of sentences, we can combine 1 or 2 sentences with the help of conjunction. There was a power cut. I didn't complete my homework. There was a power cut yesterday. Because of that, I didn't complete my homework. So with one word, because we combined both the sentence, that is called conjunction. I am your teacher. I teach English. I am your teacher and I teach English. So with these words, and, because, or, we can combine 1 or 2 sentences, more than 1 sentences. So this is a conjunction. And the last one is interjection. Interjection is a word that will not give any meaning, but it will give an expression. Okay, aha, the food is yummy. So aha will not give any meaning, but it gives an expression or a feeling. Yes. Alas, I lost the bus. So alas, we use it for very sad moment. So these words in separate, they won't give any meaning, but it is used to express a feeling. So this is called interjection. So I again repeat, there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So with this, I end this class, and with another content, I'll meet you soon. Bye guys.